So,
Did we get everybody that wanted to? Okay, so y'all saved me for last. I'm about to tell you right now, get your napkins out. Because it will not be a dry eye in this house when I'm done. Okay? I'm going to give you 15 seconds. Get your napkin. Because I'm serious. So for those of you that don't know, I lovingly call Any my first lady. There's a lot of reasons for that. That ain't none of y'all's business. So I ain't going to tell y'all why. But she is my first lady. Ever since she came into my life via the chairman, who I lovingly call the chairman. Now, y'all call him Mr. Carter, Demond Carter, whichever you want. Don't call him the chairman. That's my name, okay? She came into my life, and she's very, unassuming and quiet and stuff. But it's a fire up in there, right? That light, that glow y'all see, that's fire. It's fire up in there. And she will come for you if you send for her, okay? She will come. I want you to know, she will come for you. Now, she be up here, she be all cute and pretty and quiet. Don't send for her, though. Because she going to bring something for you, and it ain't going to be these twigs and berries, okay? I'm just letting you know. But those of you that don't know my story, I have a very diseased-filled body. Lots of stuff. I've been on dialysis for 18 years. Don't say that. Y'all ain't helped me sit in that recliner with me. But it's all right. But I've been on there for 18 years. I've had cancer in the body on multiple times, multiple locations, okay? So I don't tell you that because I want sympathy, because I live a very full life. I dance all the time. I flirt with people, mostly young boys, but that's my business, okay? But she doesn't bombard you with stuff. And for a personality like mine, I have a very strong personality, in case y'all can't tell. Got a very strong personality. She just says, well, Kimberly, what about this? Just that quietly. Well, Kimberly, how about your fiber? So I can't build up a defense because she didn't come at me hard, right? She came so soft, I just had to go, okay, First Lady. And then when I walk off, I'm still eating my cheese, though. But I'm going to eat that kale, though. I'm going to eat the kale, and then I'm going to go eat some cheese. But since this class, I have ascertained a lot of knowledge, some of which I actually use. I joke with her all the time about the bread example, because, see, now she got me eating the $7 bread instead of the $1 bread. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all know. But when the bread turned to paste, and it disintegrated, looked like glue, I was like, oh, I ain't going to eat that no more. I'm going to go ahead and get the $7 bread. She got me buying the organic stuff because I'm scared of the pesticides, because I got a whole lot of dis-ease in the body already. But I didn't come here to tell y'all that. I came here to tell y'all a testimony. Okay? A few months ago, I had another interaction with cancer. I had another interaction. And I said, all right, First Lady, I done heard you in my mind, in my ears for a long time, because I've known her for a long time. And she talked real soft to me. She don't never come at me hard. So I heard you for a long time. So I'm going to get on these berries and twigs, and I'm going to be serious about these berries and twigs. And I've been serious about these berries and twigs for the last couple of months, okay? Serious. That means no chicken. Y'all know how black people feel about that chicken. That means no cheese. I want y'all to know something about this cheese, okay? I done had a couple of addictions in my life, and cheese has been the hardest. of all. So I stand here today to tell you that I was at the surgeon last Tuesday on another situation, but I got my reports back. And that interaction that I had with that cancer can't be found. Okay? So if you are not serious about these berries and twigs, I want you to get real serious, real quick, because you don't know what's brewing, but it don't matter because you can turn that thing around, okay? So my lady right here, what's my lady name? Q. My lady said, that's why she's so skinny. No, that's not why. It's a lot of disease in this body that causes body to be skinny. But I want y'all to know something. I am on my way to 60 kilograms, baby, okay? So the next time I have a testimony for y'all, I'm going to be plus 60, okay? Plus 60 kilograms. And for those of y'all that register pounds instead of kilos, that's 132 pounds, honey. That's where I'm going. Y'all meet me there, all right? Okay.